So how do you become an expert in that? Is it just putting time in to learn it? Um, is it kind of using the abstraction thing? Like, oh, this kind of worked like this in this other abstraction, so I'm gonna kind of, correlate those two things. Like, how do you kind of connect those sort of dots?
Yeah, I think for me, there's always like a scratch the surface, right? Like, what is this thing?
Yeah,
So let me just find that surface level thing. And then again, I get back to like, for me, I just have to use it.
yeah,
I have to get my hands on so that I'm not just reading the docs and, it's, you know, walk the walk and talk the talk, right? Like, I think that's the way that I think that's the best way that you inevitably can not necessarily be an expert, but can get to the point of asking the right questions to gain, even the more knowledge. And the
yeah,
result of just that doing that, this is all stating the obvious, by the way. The result of just using it is how do you use it, right? You're not. I would say like when you approach something, don't just hello world it. Like, fine, you can do that. That's your first 5 minute exercise. But really, like, we get back to problem solving, right? What is the selfish thing that you want to accomplish? It's
sure,
okay to be selfish and just be like, I freaking have this mobile app that I want to do. Okay,
yeah,
then I'm going to apply that to do this thing. And because now you've learned something, but you've also applied it more pragmatically, that the person you're telling it to, it's not just a storytelling. You had a job to be done that you can demonstrate that you completed and you learned how to complete it using whatever technique tool, blah, blah, blah,
yeah.
those kind of things. And you just can't replicate that authenticity or that knowledge without having the lived experience of using it.